pay taxes. A while ago, I was reading something about you that I pay my taxes, I get platinum certificate, and they still treat me like shit. What do you mean by that?
No, because there's tax terrorism. I pay taxes. Most years I get refund because I pay more taxes. Then they pick me for scrutiny. Then ask me unnecessary questions. And they give all the information. After 1 or 2 years, they say, okay. And now I got a latest assessment where they made where I had an income of capital gains. They converted the capital gains into regular income and charge more. It's crazy. I filed for rectification. Then they rectified it and charged some interest. I filed for rectification again. They are not replied. And then one income tax officer, when I filed for rectification, picks up the old one and says there's nothing wrong with it and passes another order. It's a mess. In this country, what happens? The more tax you pay, the more they picked up more harassment. There are so many crooks in this country who don't declare income, who don't pay taxes, and the officers know about it. Every tax officer in every city knows who pays tax, who earns money. They are very smart. And they buy them over. In many cases, they buy them over. Very clear. You ask any chartered accountant, anybody, they know what happens. It's a racket. And they do whatever it is. And we get stuck. We get stuck. And that's why I said, this is lousy. Don't treat me with respect. We must respect taxpayers. In the US, they respect you. In the US, we file returns from Infosys, the CFO. And every year we pay tax. And they came after and said, give me this. And I said, we'll go in appeal. We'll go to court. They back down. They treat you with respect. They reply to you. Here, nobody replies. They take their own time. There is 38 lakh crores of taxes in disputes. More than the tax collection of 25, 26 lakh crores a year. Out of which 19 lakh crores is taxes in dispute where the assessee is not available and there are no assets. It's bogus. And 19 lakh crore, 80% is disputes raised in the last 5 years. Whereas Jaitley promised in 2014 that they'll stop tax terrorism when total amount of tax and dispute was 5,40,000 crores or something.
Now it's 19.
Yeah. And where is the promise? So I keep writing articles every year about tax terrorism and nobody cares. Our finance minister doesn't seem to care. Because it is there in the budget document. In the budget document where she presents, there is a statement showing 38 lakh crores. If I were the finance minister, I would call a meeting every 15 days and show me why you did this, what happened, how many appeals have come. And appeals take time and why it is happening. And if there's an officer who goes on raising this kind of crazy demands, I'll put it in his confidential report to say this person is wasting government time and money and harassing people. That's the way the minister has to do. It's the minister. See, the minister are our representatives. They're supposed to represent our interest.
Yeah.
The tax authorities are tax authorities. They'll try to extort money. That's the nature of the beast.